Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at this snowstorm today. From last night it was snowing, last evening in fact. It was snowing a lot and still you can't go outside. See the snow. Wow. Even the walking, even I can't go outside to clean my car. This is so horrible guys. It's so cold here. I think it's almost 20 inches of snow. I think it's still going to snow evening also, till evening also. Guys, look at this. I'm trying to clean it, but it's too much here. Too much of snow, we can't clean it. Look at this, guys. I'm finally able to clean it up. Finally, I'm able to. Wow. Oh, it's too much of snow. Anyway. Oh, too much of snow. Look at that tree. Put a phone. Oh, look at this, guys. The tree. Wow. Too much snow. Look at these cars. What a mess. Everybody is trying to clean it because the snow will get harder. But tomorrow morning, if you don't clean it up, and we will not have a car to go outside or drop kids to the school, it will be very horrible. The car will be stuck for like almost a week. See, look at this blue car. Wow. Wow. How much, guys? Too much snow. Got the okay, guys. Oh, look at this car, guys. Too much snow, guys. Look at this, guys. It's too much snow, guys. I don't know how we are going to clean it up, this mess. Not too much snow, guys. And we need a shovel to clean this up. Wow. They cleaned all the roads last night and morning so that we can walk here, at least on the roads. But this is too much, guys. I think this is the biggest snowfall we had in last 6 to 7 years, guys. Wow, look at this, 20 inches. Look at this. Wow, it's too much, guys. I think we have to clean slowly. We need a shovel. Let me go and bring the shovel to clean this car area so that I can take the car out. That is my car, so I have to take this off. Let me ask the Okay, guys. Wow, too much, guys. I mean, I even can't hold my phone. It's too much cold, too much windy. It's too tough out here. I think in the evening it will be too cold to clean the car, so I have to do something now itself. Oh my god. It's too much, guys. See, look at that tree, guys. Okay, guys, let me clean the car and come back. It's too much, guys. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.